So what's more beneficial, proactive or reactive strategy? Watch this video till the end to find out and get workable strategies we tried. You're on the Jelvix channel, Tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Well, a lot of businesses work on the principle of reactive business strategy. It's focused on control over existing policies and determines the change of a course in case of a crisis event. In turn, a proactive strategy concentrates on planning for the future. You need to start thinking about applying a reactive business strategy in case of unexpected events, among which may be anything that impacts a local environment or have a global nature. Market shifts, as any market changes that impact a company should be addressed in time. And need for occasional prosperity, as this strategy also works when a company needs to ensure business growth during a short time. In contrast, a proactive strategy helps to recognize and prevent potential risks before they appear. It helps to avoid threats and problems or make handling problems easier, improve productivity, efficiency, and the quality of the final product, make employees more satisfied, and also save costs. A reactive strategy always deals with reviewing precisely an internal situation. So before implementing a reactive strategy, you should define what were the causes of the situation, what issues had an impact on the situation, who was involved, what resources are necessary, material, technical, and human, to restore the situation. How long will this approximately take? Clarifying these points enables making steps ahead for solving troubles. Create a mind map using specialized software. Have you ever used any of them? Share your experience. But developing and implementing a proactive business strategy is different. It requires passing a couple of interrelated stages, namely, identifying core values of your business that requires you to think about the aspects you appreciate and things your target audience expects to see. Paying attention to data analytics, ensuring open communication, expanding the borders of the market, as it's a proactive effort that can add extra bonuses to you. Mapping the process. So create a detailed map of all business processes in the company. And learning to address issues as they come. So be flexible and prompt. By the way, we highly recommend you check out the article about the types of data analytics. The link is in the description. Reactive strategies are identified according to 3 major types, such as an emergency strategy that's a plan designed to respond quickly to the consequences of an immediate and unexpected crisis. Push strategy that's quick to apply and pushes competitors out of the market. And pull strategy that's focused on addressing the needs and preferences that are going to change. Well, applying a reactive strategy may be good for emergency business situations, but not as an ordinary course. In turn, proactive companies think about the perspective of the development inside their company and outside. A business that concentrates its efforts on proactive strategies is more effective than the one focused on reactive ones. Let's take a look at extra hacks for a workable proactive strategy. So, 1. Set clear goals. 2. Emphasize service more instead of a product, as far more results get companies that have a good quality product but invest more in customer service. 3. Add more trust to interaction, as this is an essential element for long-term and comfortable planning. 4. Redesign the internal processes, making them more effective. And 5. Address security issues, as you should prevent cyber attacks and the possible negative consequences of broken plans. Well, both proactive and reactive examples of strategies are equally important for the operational processes. Reactive strategies are more effective for dealing with unpredictable situations. In turn, proactive strategies are more interesting and deal with prospects. So, are you going to implement any of them? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.